In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resetting apps that may not be working properly on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select apps on this left panel here. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says installed apps. Go ahead and select that. Now locate whatever app you're having the problem with in this list, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Please note that not all apps will have this option to reset. For example, if we were to go to another application like Google Chrome, it doesn't give you that option in here. You would have to just uninstall or reinstall it. And I believe through Google Chrome's own settings, you can actually reset Google Chrome and Firefox and pretty much every major browser, but you can't do it through this window. That would be more specific for that particular application. And I have made tutorials before. Just search my channel if you want to know how to reset Google Chrome or Firefox or whatnot, but this is just a general tutorial for most applications on your computer, particularly the built-in ones, I would say. So anyway, go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to the program that corresponds to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and you'll notice there's a couple options underneath Reset. So if the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. I would select Repair first. I would try that and then see if once you relaunch the application, see if the problem has been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can then go down to the second option here, that the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. But before you do, try resetting from within the app's own settings page instead of here. That way you won't lose all of your app's data. So this is basically just a little bit extra text. I mean, this flows on Windows 10 as well, the reset option, just a little bit different here. Not all apps will have resetting options. Just want to point that out there. So they might be kind of referring to web browsers and other applications that don't come to mind, at the present moment for me. But I'm sure there are other applications out there that can be reset by actually going and uninstalling them, and then they give you a prompt to give you the option if you want to modify or repair the installation files. I have seen that before with a number of applications, but again, that would be a more application-specific tutorial, so I don't really want to go down too much of a specific path like that when there's hundreds, if not thousands, of different applications we could be resetting. So I just want to kind of put that into perspective for you guys out there. But anyway, going to go ahead and reset it at this point. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. And then once that is done, I would suggest restarting your computer. It's usually probably good practice even after we repaired the application. You probably still would want to restart your computer and then check the application. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.